And good morning, Ron McGowan here with Guaranty RV Center. Going to give you a little quick video tour this morning on this 2020 Desert Fox 27FS. Really nice quality built unit built here in the Northwest for the Northwest. Going to start off here with the front with the diamond plate front protection on the front, full wrap front cap, electric jack, 2 large LP tanks with the cover. You've got your toy lock right here, so you have your toys outside. You can lock them up right here. Nice large front compartment. It's got the new Desert Fox logos on it. You've got a quick connect for your barbecue right here. Corona's one-piece Corona siding on the side. Electric awning. Solid front step. Wind-resistant front door. Large grab handle as we step inside the coach. Stain resistant vinyl, commercial grade vinyl. In the back you're going to have your queen bed on the top and your reverse couch here, so your couch will actually come down and go this way. So when you're sitting here with everybody, you're all together enjoying each other's company. Very large back windows with blackout shades. You've got your Max Air in the back. You've got solid cabinets. All of their cabinets are face front construction, just like a residential home. Lots of cabinetry. You've got the nice Kenwood surround sound system. You've got a CD, DVD player with speakers outside as well. Coming around to the kitchen area, you've got the upgraded range and oven, solid surface countertops. Nice double bowl sink, pull-out faucet. You've got your charge station right there. You've got a 12-volt outlet and 2 USB ports. Like I say, lots of cabinetry, additional storage underneath, pull-outs, and your sponge and wash tip out right there. Coming into the bedroom area, we've got the nice double door Norcold refrigerator. You've got more pantry space here, makes it really nice. This unit has a lot of storage for the size unit that it is. Coming into the bathroom area, I'll let the camera do the work in the bathroom. We've got a porcelain toilet, cabinetry space for linens and toiletry items, nice deep shower tub combination. What's really nice is this is a split bath, so it gives you the advantage of that is somebody can be in there getting a shower, getting ready, and it gives you the ability to also get ready here. Nice large medicine cabinet. You've got a pull shade here that separates the 2 rooms. Got a nice queen bed, storage underneath the bed, lots of overhead cabinets, power on both sides of the bed, both 110 and 12-volt power, both sides, LED lights that are controllable on each side. You've got a Max Air also in the bedroom area, ducted ceiling ducts for your air conditioning system. Coming out to the outside before we step out, here's all of your controls right here, very easily accessed to that. Your solar panel controller is right there. Generator switch right here, because this does have a 4,000 watt generator. Coming to the outside, you've got Goodyear tires. You've got 4 shocks, so you've got a shock on each wheel. You've got Dexter axles, have been around forever. Spotlights on the sides. LED lighting on the back for your ramp. You'll see the springs in the ramp. That makes that ramp a lot more controllable when it comes down. Individual aluminum locks. Side ladder. Fuel station. And this is your fuel station control. A wash port. You've got a portable compressor here, so when you air down, if you're in the sand, you like to air down, you can air your tires back up. You've got your black tank flush, city water connection, shore cord connection. LED light so that when you're operating your black and gray tanks at night, you have easy access and you can see it well. Outdoor shower, again a 4,000 watt generator, and a solar port to plug in portable solar. These products are made here in the Northwest for the Northwest. Very quality product. All the materials they use are high quality, above standard RV for sure. And if you have any questions on this or any other product, please feel free to give me a call. It's Ron McGowan at 541-968-6010 or ron.mcgowan@guaranty.com. Thank you and have a great day.